welcome back to the channel, man. I'm out with the beautiful wife today. We're heading to we're heading to a show, man. Honestly, this show just says calling all Mopars. That's it. It doesn't say what it is, nothing. All we know is it says calling all Mopars, and it's at the racetrack at the Daytona Raceway in Daytona Beach, Florida. So we're heading out there right now. We're on the road. I'm behind Modern Day Muscle. I got my boy Jeff behind me. I got Fast Mile behind me. So we just cruising up right here. We're gonna meet up with one of my boys, and then we're gonna head out from there, man, and cruise out to Daytona. We're supposed to meet with a few more people though, so hopefully they decide to show up. We'll see. I'm gonna get them a call in a minute. But anyway, we're gonna get some gas. See who's at the gas station here waiting on us, and go from there. She put her hand on her chin like yo. Like,
I was just watching.
Yeah, alright. Alright, man, so I'll get back with you guys in a minute, man, when we get over here. Damn, look at Jordan. He got all that beef in the back. Look at that. Let me zoom in on that. Oh, them 315s. Oh, damn. Yeah. Alright, man, so I'll get back with you guys in a minute, man. Alright guys, so I wasn't able to get any footage by the gas station, but this is us line up right here right now. We're at the rest area. We're at the stop, bathroom break. You guys, as you can see, I'm out here with my car. Nick's back there. Matter of fact, this black Daytona, I just lowered this car today actually, and I installed a splitter kit on it. So that's a ZL1 add-on splitter kit. I put the suspension on there. Kit all the way around. Yeah, so it's looking good. We got Modern Day Muscle on here. My man Jafari back there. We got the infamous Repo right there with the Hellcat, and we got this Ram rolling with us. Here we go, Jafari. All right. Yes, sir. Yeah. You know that's my outlaw guys. Hey, look at the wrap on this thing, man. Yeah, we rolling today. Nice. Look at that thing. That thing is nasty. Yep. So, yeah, we like I said. Oh, look who's coming. I'm pointing right at them. I'm going right at them. Oh God. Anyway, yeah. So like I said, man, we're about to head up to Daytona right now. We're still on our way. Still trying to get there. As you can see, it looks like it's gonna get dark here pretty soon. Time did change on us already. You guys must know that. But anyway, so we got a few more people to meet with, and then we'll be heading into that show. So I'll get back with you guys in a minute.
In front of me. Yo, so hold on, Jordan. There was a car in front of me? There was a car in front of me. There was a car in front of me.
We made it to the meet, so we ain't arguing about, oh, it's got the OD shirt. That's a sweater, sorry. My job provides us a nice sweater, so I bought one just to wear on a daily basis. But anyway, it's cold outside. But anyway, we're just arguing right now about who did what on the highway, all this nonsense. So we're gonna hear this talk.
Like, yo, just as soon as, like, yo, you feel the weather. The weather's good. And like, yo, listen,
he thought he was holding on. He was getting dropped.
He said he knows he can strap the shade.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, that's real.
I saw you was kind of holding on real quick though.
For a minute. I'm looking at him through the tent, and I see his hand. He's going like this. One.
I forgot.
I'm like, all right, he's gonna do a 3
Yo,
count.
when I punched, I was in custom. I wasn't even in sport.
Where do you think I was in?
Get the hell out of here, bro.
After I put it in track.
Nah, I wasn't. Yo,
Like, yo, I was in custom the whole time.
Whatever, man.
I was in custom. I went into custom when we left the rest area.
Paul left.
That's what I wanted, because my car starts in eco mode.
So look, Paul left me, but then I held on.
Yeah, but I was in custom. I was not in sport.
I imagine. So that's what I'm saying. I want to see what happens in sport.
All right.
Yo,
We going.
Listen, I want to dance too.
Listen to me. It's like 50 degrees out here.
Me too.
Everybody can get the smoke.
You want some sauce?
I was trying to get up there with y'all shit. I was trying. Like, hell, y'all
I
want
mess with the hellcat, but you know, like shit.
Yo, so we came out here, man, and honestly, like, I was expecting a bigger turnout, and it's like minimal. Honestly, it was 3 cars here when we got here, and it was an hour into the meet. So I don't know what happened. Maybe it's the weather. People didn't, show up for some reason, but it is what it is. We're gonna make the day out of it. You know what I'm saying? But let me show you some of the cars that's here, though. You guys seen this Ram with that dope ass wrap on it? You guys seen that? At this rest area. We got an SRT8 Cherokee. Got Jafari's car. We got the Juice. Rob over here. We got the Lightning McQueen joint. Y'all know about that. Anybody out here, man? So and over here we got a black Scat with some tire stickers on it. I think I've seen this car on Facebook before. And we got another RT right here. Dropped on some Scat Pack wheels. Low 300. I didn't look out. I saw the gray. I thought it was Tony. Yeah, low 300 right there, man. That's Tony car. Tony's over there, the tall dude right there. Yeah. Drew's new car. My guy Drew just got a Scat Pack. He used to have a V6. He hurdled over the 5.7 and jumped right into a Scat. Like, that's how you do it. 19 Scat with the black hood, clean. Oh, and the black roof. Hey, Revo car. Jeff's car. My Christmas car. The fellas. The fellas. It's my Christmas theme. You know what I mean? I love this thing. This thing is nice. Modern day muscle out here. We got a red eye. You know about that? We got a red eye in here. Ooh wee. Got the red eye. Follow him on Instagram, man. That's it. Look at that. This is his wife's truck. Talk about couple. This is goals right here. My wife is in the Durango, the RT. We gotta get her the 392. Oh yeah. Yo, the Jeep is like, you can't go wrong. This thing is nice. This guy came out here with just
man,
nothing on.
Like, I didn't know it was gonna be. It's Florida though.
Yeah, nah, you should know better. You should have watched the weather.
Florida though, man.
Look at me. I watch the weather. I watch the weather, guys. And I got on a long sleeve below it. This is long sleeve. And then I got on a sweat on top. Like, come on, man.
Yo,
I'm dressed for the occasion.
Yo, Paul, you know what this remind me of?
What?
Remember your video that you recorded with your lens?
Oh, that day? Yeah, he was looking cold. I wish I could tag that video, cause that video was on. That video was on my other YouTube. But if you look up SL500 and just put the word black in there, so SL500 black, and yo, you're gonna see my video come right up. It should be the first video.
Hell yeah.
It's a video with me and my drop top Benz back in the day, though. It was a hilarious video, though, but it was dope. We got the ladies over here. They cold.
Freezing.
They freezing. Y'all ready to eat?
Yes.
Ready
to drink.
You ain't ready to no drink.
Eat.
Y'all ain't ready for nothing.
Drink.
Y'all ready for y'all bed. That's what y'all ready for. Go to sleep.
For blue.
I'm going to go ahead and hang out with the people, man, and see what it is. Like I said, man, it's not really a big event. Thought it was going to be something bigger, but whatever. We came out, still showed our face, still, represent for everyone, man. You got one hand wash the other. You can't expect people to come to your event or, something that you're doing and don't show up to theirs. So it is what it is. You know what I mean? Show love, get love. All right? I'll catch you guys back in a minute. So I just did the illest burnout, like the illest. I got to show you guys this burnout, man. Like, yo. Nut job. So anyway, I gotta show you guys this tires on the ground, man. Like, yo, literally, like, it wasn't very long, but the amount of smoke that the car left was just insane. I was like, get out of here. So that was parking lot burned out. I had to just light it up, let these guys know, hey, my car means business. But I don't know if you guys can see that. It wasn't very long, man, but there's a lot of tires on the ground, I'll tell you that much. And the car literally went sideways. Yeah, you can see it right there now that that light is shining on it. So, yeah, I left some tires on the ground, but yeah, that's what's posted up down there. It's all Mopars. It's Robin and Sam. But as you can see, it's all Mopars back there. So, we're actually going to Hooters just to hang out for a little bit. The meat was, it is what it was, man. I mean, it didn't get much thicker than it was when we got there. So, you know, we did what we had to do there. Represented, like I said, showed our face. Now we're about to get some grub and just chill. We're still in Daytona, so we still got an hour or so ride home. But, you know, it is what it is. We're just having fun. We got no kids tonight, so we're having fun.
Yeah, bro, they tried me.
Who?
That lady over there thinking I'm videotaping her kids. I'm speaking to the camera, I'm not videotaping her kids. Yeah, that lady right there. Yeah, she just tried me, said, oh, I'm just checking. I'm like, ain't nobody videotaping your kids, man.
Oh, yo, you hurt. What happened?
She got her cup.
Oh, they said no cups?
No, I'm saying she got her cup. You gotta fill it. I mean, let's get real. Come on. Out the shit.
Callie's chugging. Chug. Ashley, I got you on camera. I got you on camera cheering on the chug right now. I don't know what's wrong with this girl. I don't know, man. Look. She's finishing it off for her. She needed assistance. So Sam is assistant. Yo, these girls are crazy.
You gotta put it in the Barney bag.
Look at this shit.
The Barney bag?
Watch her at the airports, man. If you ever see her at the airport, look at that face. If you ever see my wife at the airport, you'll make sure you check her real good. If you listen, if you work,
TSA, I got you.
I'm about to say, if you work for TSA, man, remember that face, man. She gonna, you know what I'm saying? She gonna be the one walking in with some shit. All right, we're about to find some seats, man, and I guess we'll get back to you guys in a minute, man.